With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, here's our question. Calculate the packing fraction of alpha particle from the following data. So here the data is given and we have to find the packing fraction for alpha particle. So first of all, we will write the equation for forming alpha particle. Okay, so alpha particle is basically the nucleus of helium. It has atomic number 2 and mass number 4. Since it has atomic number 2, that means it is forming by 2 protons. Okay, now its mass number is 4. Therefore, the number of neutrons will be given by 4 minus 2, that is equals to 2. That means the number of neutrons in it is equals to 2. So it is forming by 2 proton and 2 neutron. Okay, when we will combine these 4 nucleons, so we will get a nucleus. It is releasing some energy in this process and we call it Q value. Okay, now the packing fraction, that is given by the mass defect divided by the number of nucleons. Okay, so here number of nucleon is 4. So the packing fraction here will be given by delta m divided by 4. Delta m means mass defect and it is the loss in mass during the formation of this nucleus. Okay, so delta m, that is mass defect, is given by the mass of reactants. So here mass of reactant will be 2 into mass of proton, which is given here 1.00758 plus 2 into mass of neutron. So it is given 1.00897 minus the mass of product, that is helium. So it is 4.0028. The unit for mass defect here is atomic mass unit. Now calculate this value. So on calculation, we will get the value equals to 0.0303. So this is the value of mass defect. Therefore, the packing fraction will be equals to mass defect, that is 0.0303 divided by the number of nucleon. So here it is 4. So the value will be equals to 0.00758 atomic mass unit per nucleon. So this is the packing fraction of alpha particle. So that's our solution for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.